Hello everyone, today in my review is this multifunctional, made of high quality metal, heavy duty, freestanding rack. Pretty flexible design, you can adjust wherever you like more. I have 6 shelves on its center, 1 rack for long clothes and 1 space for 2 of short clothes. On the very top I can put different styles of hats or some boxes or my bags. On the very bottom I can put different small organizers and it works perfect. It is a heavy duty garment rack, freestanding clothes. It works as a closet storage organizer for a large wardrobe with 6-tier shoe rack, hanging rod, adjustable shelf. It is a section storage design, very easy for organizing and display. It has a 2 short hand sections, shoe shelves, long hand section, some extra storage. It has a flexible installation and also you can customize all your needs. Sturdy wire shelf, dense bottom lines, strengthens load capacity, very easy to assemble and adjust. Arrow pointed upward, reach to groove. I can keep it in a bedroom, in a walk-in closet, in a reach-in closet, in any type of laundry room or even garage. Massive capacity, everything will look neat and organized. It has an original design, height adjustable, strong loading, tool-free assembly. It has a pyramid-shaped structural design, rods with superior weight capacity, in a black color, powder-coated, very easy to install, portable with adjustable shelves, load capacity 950 pounds, freestanding, maximum weight is 1060 pounds, made of carbon steel metal. The length is 68.9 inches, width 15.7 inches and height is 76.4 inches. It's really helpful for saving space in my wardrobe, in my clothes. Everything looks tidy, organized. Every time I can grab my clothes, wear it, it will not be wrinkled. I'm obsessed with this product. This manufacturer has different variations, different options of similar racks. It exists in 2 colors, black, white, and it works amazing everywhere. So that's definitely my recommendation, which worth each penny.